And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. To wherever you are tuning in, to those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Love business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So, commercial muna po. Meron akong, ayan, live stream. So, tonight, 11 p.m. Philippine time, 8 a.m. Canada time, I will be the guest of Camille Digital Life live streaming. So be inspired as I will answer her questions about the digital business later. So tonight po yan, 11 p.m. Manila time, Canada, 8 a.m. Okay, watch out for this live streaming. Okay, so tonight, let's talk about something we all need to hear when waiting feels like forever. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga, wala ngang forever, 'di ba? So, trusting the journey. You know, in a world where everything is instant, instant noodles, instant coffee, instant likes, instant results, we expect life to work the same way. Gusto natin yung mabilis. Gusto natin ngayon na. Pero let me ask you, is instant always the best? Think about instant noodles. Sure, it's quick and convenient, pero alam natin it's not the healthiest. It's full of preservatives. And honestly, it's not something you can eat forever. Wala nga forever, di ba? It fills you for a moment, but it doesn't truly nourish you. That's the same with life and success. If everything comes instantly, do you think it will last? Will it truly satisfy you? Probably not. When I started this digital business, gusto ko agad makita yung result. I wanted success overnight. But then I realized the best things in life takes time. Take time. Like planting a seed. You don't eat the fruit the next day. You water it, you nurture it, and you trust the process. So it's the same thing. Pag may nanliligaw sa'yo, you don't say yes after a day of chatting, di ba? You, you take time to know the person. Kasi kung instant, you might end up saying yes to someone who's not real. Someone who's not aligned with your values. You invest time kasi gusto mo yung relationship that will last. And think about finding a job. Kung nagmamadali ka tanggapin kahit anong offer, baka ma-miss mo yung mas magandang opportunity na papunta sa'yo. Sometimes the delay is actually a blessing. Kasi while waiting, you're building skills. You're preparing for something bigger. Same with building your dreams. If you rush it, if you choose the instant way, baka sa huli, it's not stable. Kaya trust the journey. The process will shape you, it will make you stronger, wiser, and ready for bigger blessings. So when life feels slow, when your goals feel far away, don't lose hope. The best things take time. And the delays, they are not punishments. They are preparations. So you might be in a season where you feel nothing is happening. But trust me, something is growing underneath. Just like the bamboo tree. It takes years before you can see it above the ground. But during those years, its roots are growing deep and strong. So tonight, remember, don't settle for instant noodles when you deserve a full course meal. So don't settle for instant success when you're meant for lasting greatness. So don't rush the job offer when the right one might be waiting. And don't settle for a man who isn't deserving because real love, like real success, takes time. So trust the journey, it's building you for something amazing. So if this message spoke to you, Share it with someone who needs this reminder. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you're curious or you want to learn more, message me directly or sign up on my website at www.loryramos.com and I will send you the link for the free info sessions. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.